So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to set up the variable price barcode parser and do so while demonstrating this with the specific labels that we have received from one of our agents. And so this goes to support our sales agent community. And the situation that we have here is that there are three labels that we have received. This is what the first one looks like. This is the second one. Okay. And this right here is the third label. And so the question is, why are some of these working and some of these do not? To get started, let me just go ahead and just navigate here. So first I'm going to do the settings, right? I have my configuration settings that I need to do, which is in here. And we're going to do accessibility, and variable price barcode parser needs to be turned on. It's going to ask for the passcode. I will enter the passcode. Okay, okay. All right, so that's on. And if we check the variable price, it says that it's completed and app is ready for use. There is a setting here that talks about the barcode type, either up to 999 or 99.99. Right now I'm just going to keep it on the 99.99 right here. Okay, and so the next thing we're going to do is begin setting up these items in our inventory app. And so here's my inventory app, and the very first item that we have, smoked ham. The barcode number is going to be 2 followed by 4 zeros and an 8. So the first thing I want to do is check if I already have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. We don't have that. Okay. So we can go ahead and add new item. Smoked ham per unit. And the price per unit is $3.99. And item unit is LB. And the product code is the first 6 digits that we see on the label, which is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. All right, so we save this item and we go to register and we scan this barcode. All right, and let me do this again. Cancel out of this. There it is, smoked ham, 287. Right. All right, so that works. So we did this item, that's done. Now let's do the second label. The second label is beef T-bone steak, and the product code is 2 followed by 3 zeros and 5, 4. All right, so we go back to inventory. We check if we already have this. 1, 2, 3. I don't expect to do it, but there it is. We don't have it. All right, because we don't want to create duplicates. And this is going to be beef T-bone steak. T-bone steak. There it is. It'll also be per unit. And the price per unit is $14.99. I'm picking that up from the label. And then the barcode, the product code is going to be 2 followed by 3 zeros and 5, 4, which I will enter right here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Hit save. All right, so what's going on? Why are we not? Item unit, okay. LB, save. All right, so there's that. And so now I'm going to scan this second item. Okay, and this one is $13.94 and this one is $13.93. So if you get a rounding error like this, the way to fix it is to go back to the inventory. Basically, if this is happening to you, you can't use per unit, you must use variable. So T-bone steak, see how it says per unit? Just switch it to variable like that and hit save. And now let me go ahead and delete this item from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan this steak again, and now it's gonna say T-bone steak, $13.94. $13.94. All right, and now we're doing the third label. The third label is smoked bacon, and so we start in the inventory app, and it looks like this one is 2 followed by 4 zeros and a 3, and I do believe I have that kind of number already. 1 2 3 4 3, maybe not. Yep. All right, cool. So we'll go ahead and add item. We'll call this smoked bacon. Okay, and I'm gonna try variable right away. And the product code, so if I do variable, I don't have to put in price per unit, but I do have to put in the product code, which is 2 1 2 3 4 3. Hit save like that. So now we have that item in there, and I'm going to the register. So I believe the price on this one is $6.37. So I'm seeing the price to be $6.37. And that is what it's coming out to be, $6.37. Let me show you. And so all 3 labels are producing the proper result. So yeah, thank you.